I would now like to welcome to the floor our next speaker for today, Helen Uvarenko, Head of Analytics for Deep Pharma Intelligence, who will be sharing some deeper insights into the overall scope of functionality and capabilities of Deep Pharma Intelligence's Big Data Analytics dashboard. Helen, a pleasure to have you with us as always. The floor is yours.
Hi, everyone. Deep Pharma Intelligence is happy to see you all at our final session for this conference. And being the head of analytical department at Deep Pharma Intelligence, I would like to present our big data analytics platform. So as you may remember from the previous presentations of my colleagues from Deep Knowledge Group, Deep Pharma Intelligence is the joint venture between Deep Knowledge Analytics and company named Biopharma Trend, which results in the fact that DPI focuses on the number of key technological areas, including promising biotech startups, therapeutic products, AI for drug discovery and development, and different emerging therapeutic modalities like technologies and trends in precision medicine and other. So because of the pharmaceutical market expansion in technologies and companies' active growth, these areas are considered quite attractive for investments. So under such conditions, data about companies, their collaborations, mergers, acquisitions, fundings, venture investments is getting difficult to track down. This is why we created a platform with the sophisticated cloud-based engine for advanced market and business intelligence in the pharmaceutical, healthcare, and biotech industries, because we were fulfilling the request for easier data processing and automated analytics. Except that, platform includes data mining engine, infrastructure for expert data curation, and advanced visualization dashboards like mind maps and knowledge graphs. So given a general overview of the platform, it provides you with such basic entities as companies, investor companies, and of course, downloadable static DPI reports, which are also always available at our main website. A company as an entity has such default compounds as contact information, country, patents, IPO status, general activities in the area, SWOT analysis, and many other. Of course, similar compounds and parameters are available for investment companies. So speaking of the commercial value of the platform, these are many things like business and technical due diligence for companies, investments analytics, actionable insights about primary and secondary markets, data-driven insights about emergent areas in the medical research technology, including pharmaceutical, biotech, healthcare, etc., and identification of growth opportunities for companies, including partnerships, technology deals, venture investments, and other investments product. Well, another question is who can benefit from such a platform? This can be different institutions, starting from investments, investment funds, banks, into startup hubs, accelerators, private research institutes, contract research organizations, consulting companies, and other agencies. So first component of the platform to see is interactive analytical report, which contains information about companies presented in downloadable version. Interactive report has cross-links for informational sources for deeper research. For example, if company that you're looking for is presented on some kind of a chart, well, this chart is going to be also clickable for user convenience, and every section to display, you'll be able to see all the companies presented and see what parameters they have. Also, there you can find additional information like SWOT analysis of relevant technologies and companies, interview with the selected vendors, scope of AI applications, pharma R&D, and many other. So another part of the platform where you can get, this is the interactive mind map section. There you can see entities presented in the form of a popular DKG design. Regarding the BI drug discovery report, such parameters as therapeutic and research focuses, fundings, business model, and more are available. Mind maps also show connections between investor companies and their multiple mentees. Every company and category on the mind map can be seen separately, and this is done for more thorough studies. Okay, another part of our platform is the part of competitors. So this will allow you to analyze companies, investors, competitors, and investors of competitors if you are deeply interested in some concrete companies, so you would like to know their position in the market. And that's why you definitely need to have a look on their state of fundings and other companies who will also like to keep an eye on them. This will give you a ground up view on company's current state of affairs and see who can be they compared to and why. Another extension of the competitors analysis, this section was created to correlate SWOT parameters of several companies of interest to see what they're capable of, defining with the mathematical algorithms, such as characteristics as the market scene, team composition, financial position, products pipeline maturity, and many others are brought to measurable unified parameters. So this is an apt illustration of companies' differences, weak spot, and strong suits. So another part of the platform is Portfolio Constructor, which is a tool for competitive companies analysis again, which is based on their stocks and daily income, of course, accompanied by portfolio summary and net income. I'm happy to see you all today with us, and I will be glad to see you on our platform as a user too. Please. That's all for me for today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Helen. Very much appreciated.